Hi students, today we can study exercise 14.2 question number 3. The following data gives distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find model monthly expenditure of families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. In here, one data given, we have to find out mode and mean. First, we can check mode. Mode. For mode, first we need F1, then F0 and F2. What is F1? In frequency, which number is highest number? In here you can see 40 is highest number. That will be our F1. Then just previous number will be F0. Then next number is F2. First find out F1. Then previous number will be F0. Then the next number will be F2. We can write here F1 equal to 40, F0 equal to 24, F2 equal to F2 we got 33, model class equal to, what will be model class? We know highest frequency is 40, isn't it? Then same level. That means 1500 to 2000. That will be our model class. 1500 to 2000. Therefore, LL. L means lower limit of model class. Which one lower limit? 1500. This 2000 is known as upper limit. 1500 is lower limit. We can write L equal to 1500. H equal to class width. How can you find out class width? Difference between upper limit and lower limit. 1500 minus 1000. How much? 500, isn't it? Otherwise from here also 2000 minus 1500, you will get 500, isn't it? That means our class width will be 500. Now mode equal to L plus one formula we have already studied, L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H equal to, all the values we can give in this formula. L we got, that is 1500 plus F1 is 40 minus F0 is 24 divided by 2 into F1 is 40 minus F0. What is F0? That is 24 minus F2. F2 is 33. 33 into H. H is 500. I'm writing here. (24) 33 into 500. 1500 plus 40 minus 24, you will get 16 divided by 2 into 40, that will be 80. 2 into 40 is 80. Then minus 24 minus 33 into 500. 1500 plus 16 divided by, we can do 80 minus 24 80 minus 24 first. 6 Then in here 7, 7 minus 2, 5, 56. 56 minus, which number again? One more number is there, that is 33. 56 minus 33, 3, 2. You will get 23. You can write 23 into 500. $1,500 plus multiple 16 into 500. 500 into 16. 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 5, 30. 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 5, 5. 0, 0, 0, 8. We'll get 8,000 all divided by 23. 1,500 plus 8,000 divided by 23 you can do now. 8,000 divided by 23. In 80, how many times 23? That will be 3 times 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6, 69. Then you will get in here 1, 1. Write 1 0 downside. In 110, 4 times, then 4 into 3, 12. A remainder 1. Then 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Eight, 1, 18, then 0 write down, sir. In 180, how many times 23? 7 times. 7 into 3, 21, remainder 2. 7 into 2, 14 plus 2, 16. And then you will get in here 9, in here 7 minus 6, 1. In 190, write 1 0 same time 1 point. In 190, 8 times 8 into 3, remainder 2, then 8 into 2, 16 plus 2, 18. Then here you will get 6. That's enough. We can write 3, 4, 7, 8 equal to, just add 1,500 plus 347.8. 1,500 plus 347.8. Just put in here also 1.0. Point should be always same level. Then 8 this point, then 7, 0 plus 4, 4, 5 plus 3, 8, then 1. You will get 1,847.8. In here, what will be our unit? Our unit will be expenditure unit. What is expenditure unit? That is rupees, isn't it? Then the rupees we can write unit. Rupees 1,847.8. Now we can find out mean. All of this is two tables given. Then remaining part we can draw mid value. Mid value, that is xi. Xi equal to, in between 1,000 and 1,500, which number? We'll get 1,250. In between 1,500 and 2,000, we'll get 1,750. Then in between 2,000 and 2,500, 2,250. Then same like that, 2,500 and 3,000, we'll get 2,750. Then 3,000 and 3,500, 3,250. Then 3,500 and 4,000, 3,750. Then 4,000 and 4,500, you will get 4,250. Then last 4,500 and 5,000 is 4,750. Then UI equal to UI directly we can write. We can take any number as our assumed mean. This is our assumed mean. A. What you will write in here? UI means this will be 0, then minus 1, this will be minus 2, minus 3. Then downside 1, 2, 3, 4. Directly we can write. Then this formula if you need means you can write xi minus a divided by h. Xi minus a divided by h. Next column we can write UI Fi. Then multiple this Fi means number of families. UI already we got it. 24 into minus 3 will get minus 72. Then 40 into minus 2 minus 80. 33 into minus 1 minus 33. Then 28 into 0. 28 into 0 is 0. 30 into 1 30. Then 22 into 2 44. 16 into 3 48. Then 7 into 4 28. Then n. N means we can write all the frequency, otherwise total number of families already given in question, that is 200. We can write n equal to 200. Then sum of UI Fi equal to, first add negative numbers, that is 72 plus 80 plus 33. Then 2 plus 3 5. Then 7 plus 8 15 plus 3 18. That means minus 185. Then we can add positive numbers 30 44 48 28. Then 4 plus 8 12 plus 8 20. A remainder 2. Then 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 4 11 plus 2 13 plus 2 15. We will get 150. Then after this 2 we can do 150 minus 185. I will get 150 minus 185. We can just do it. 185 minus 150 equal to 35. We will get minus 35. Why minus means in here 185 is big number, that sign is minus. Then here we can write all the values. N already got it, that is 200. Then A means we already took 2750. Then after sum of UI Fi equal to minus 35 H. Class width we need, that means 1500 minus 1000, we will get 500. Now we can use that formula. Mean representing by x bar equal to A plus sum of I equal to 1 to n UI Fi divided by n into h. Give all the values in here. A means what? A means 2750 plus Sum of ui fi, already we got it, minus 35 divided by n. N means 200. Total number of families. Into age is 500. Now this 200, this 500. Zeros just cut it. Then remaining part we can do. $2,750 plus into minus, we can write minus. Then cut it, this 2. In 5, how many times 2? You'll get, we can do 2.5 will get. Check it, 5 divided by 2. In 5, 2 times, then 2 into 2, 4, then 1. Add 1 0, same time 1 point. In 10, 5 times, 5 into 2, 10. That means we will get 2.5. Then multiple 35 and 2.5. 35 into 2.5 means we can write 25. After multiplication we can put that point. 5 into 5, 25, 2. Then 5 into 3, 15 plus 2, 17. Then 2 into 5, 10. Then 2 into 3, 6. Remainder 1, that is will be 7. 5, 7, 8. 8, 7, 5. After point 1 number, then in answer also we can put, that will be 87.5. Then subtract 2750 minus 87.5. 2750 minus 87.5. Just put 1 point and 0. Then after only we can subtract because point should be same level. Then 10. 10 minus 5, 5. In here 9 only remaining. 9 minus 7, 2. Then in here 4, that will be 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Then 6 remaining, 2. 2, 6, 6, 2.5. This is our mean. Unit will be rupees from that first column. Now we can see question number 4. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. In here one data given, we have to find out mode and mean. First we can see mode. For mode we need F1. F1 means highest frequency. Check it. This is number of states. That will be frequency. This will be our F5 frequency. Then what is highest frequency in here? That will be 10. We can write F1. F1 is 10 means that corresponding interval will be model interval. Then this previous frequency is F0, then the succeeding frequency is F2. Now we can write all the given measurements in here. Here F1 equal to 10, F0 otherwise FO equal to 9, F2 equal to 3, then model class equal to, what is model class? 30 to 35. 30 to 35. Then L. L means lower limit of model class. What is lower limit of model class? This 30, isn't it? 35 is upper limit, 30 is lower limit. That means L we can write 30. H. H means class width. 20 minus 15. How much you will get? 5, isn't it? From here also you will get 25 minus 20. You will get 5. Common class width only. You can write 5. Now, we can find out mode. Mode equal to one formula already was studied, that is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H equal to all the values we can give in here. L means 30 plus F1 is 10, then minus F0 is 9 divided by 2 into F1 is 10 minus F0 is 9, F2 is 3 into H. What is H? H is 5. 30 plus 10 minus 9, that will be 1. Then 2 into 10 we will get 20. Then minus 9 minus 3 into 5. This minus 9 minus 3 don't do now, afterwards we can do. Don't write 9 minus 3 is 6, because this is not 9, this is minus 9 only. 30 plus 1 divided by 20 minus 9, you will get 11, isn't it? Then 11 minus 3, that will be 8. 8 into 5. 30 plus 1 into 5 is 5. 5 divided by 8 you can do, just do it. 5 divided by 8. Okay, we can do in here 5 divided by 8. 5 divided by 8 we cannot do, isn't it? Then add 1 0, that means 1 point. In 50, 6 times, 6 into 8, 48, then 2. Add again 1 more 0, that will be 20. In 20, how many times 8? 2 times. 2 into 8, 16. Then 4 remainder 0. In 40, 5 times. We will get 0.625 equal to, we can add 30 plus 0.625. Check it. In here 30 plus 0. Do it. 30 plus 0. That will be 30, isn't it? 30. Then remaining part, decimal number we can write 0.625. This is our answer. What will be unit? Look, number of students per teacher, isn't it? That means we can write students per teacher. That will be unit. Now we got mode. Then after, what we will find out? We have to find out mean also, isn't it? Then we can find out mean now. Mid value, next column, mid value, then that is xi. In between 15 and 20, which number? That will be 17.5. In between 15 and 20 is 17.5. How you will get this one? We can add this lower limit. Lower limit means 15 plus upper limit. Upper limit means 20. Divide by 2. 15 plus 20 divided by 2. Then 15 plus 20, 35. Divide by 2. Cut it. This 35 and 2. In 3, 1 time. Then remainder 1, 15. In 15, 7 times. Then point. Then remainder 1, that will be 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. You will get 17.5. Otherwise, normal division also you can do this like. In 3, 1 time, 1 into 2, 2, then 1, 5. In 15, 7 times, 7 into 2, 14. Then 1. 1 divided by 2 we cannot do. Add 1 0, same time 1 point. Then 10 divided by 2, 5. You will get 17.5. Isn't it? And then same like that. In between 20 and 25, what we will do? First we will add 20 and 25, then divide by 2. Then if you are doing means you will get 22.5. Then in between 25 and 30 is 27.5, 30 and 35, 32.5, 35, 40, 37.5, then 40 and 45, 42.5, 45, 50, 47.5, the last 50 and 55 will get 52.5. Then you can choose one number as assumed mean. You can choose this one. Any number you can use. I am going to take 32.5 is A or A assumed mean. The next UI. How can write UI using by the shortcut method? First we will write in here 0, isn't it? Then upside -1, -2, -3. Then downside 1, 2, 3, 4. Directly we will get. The next column is UIFI. Multiple UI and FI. UI in here already got it. Then FI already number of students, isn't it? Then 3 into -3 is -9. 8 into -2 is -16. 9 into -1 is -9. 10 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, 3. Then 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 3, 0. Then 2 into 4, 8. Now we can find out n. N means sum of frequency. Just 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 3 plus 2, 35. Then in here, what you will get? First we will add negative numbers. We can add only negative numbers, that is 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 9, 18. Then plus 16 also. Then 4 remainder 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 34. Then after add positive numbers. Positive numbers means 3 and 8. 3 plus 8, 11 you will get, isn't it? Then 11 is positive. Then do it minus 34, 11. 11 minus 34. What will you get? You can do 34 minus plus 11. 3, 2, 23 will get, isn't it? Then what is sign? Minus, because 34 is big number, that sign is minus. You will get minus 23. Sum of UIFI equal to minus 23. Now we got all the values. Here we can write one by one. N equal to 35. A equal to 32.5. Then sum of UIFI equal to minus 23. H equal to, H means class width. 30 minus 25, how much? 30 minus 25. You will get 5 you will get, isn't it? In here also 35 minus 30, you will get 5. That will be our class width. Now we can use mean. Mean x bar equal to A plus sum of UI Fi n into h equal to A means 32.5 plus sum of UIFI is minus 23. Already we are coming here also. Minus 23 divided by n. N is 35 into h is 5. We can cut it. This 35 and 5 7 times. (32.5) then plus into minus minus. Just divide 23 divided by 7. What you will get? 23 divided by 7. In 23, how many times 7? 3 times. 3 into 7, 21. Then 3 minus 1, 2. And nothing. Write 1 0 same time 1 point. 20 divided by 7 2 times. 2 into 7 14. Then 6. Add 1 0. No need any point. In 60 7 common times 8 times. 8 into 7 56. We will get 4. That's enough. We can write 3.28 equal to. We can subtract that 32.5 minus 3.28. 32.5 3.28. Point should be always equal level. Then here 0 we can put. 10 minus 8 2. Here 4 only. 4 minus 2 2. Then in here 12. 12 minus 3 9. Then remaining we will get 29.2. This is our mean. What will be unit? Students per teacher. That is our mean.